everyone, it is Tyiece here. So today I will be doing my very first unboxing of the PINCHme. I am so excited. I love getting free stuff. So PINCHme did send this box to me, and you can sign up for PINCHme down below in the description. This is a website where you just go to sign up to receive free sample products, and all they ask is that you provide your feedback after you get the products. So the sign up is free. You don't have to pay for shipping. You don't have to provide a debit card. It's totally free. Definitely sign up if you are into getting free stuff. So I'm going to be doing my unboxing of my box I got. Let's see what is in here. So this is how the box looks. I think I'm showing the products too soon. So in the box comes this little paper. It's just advertising what PINCHme is. This is how it looks. And then right here I got some balanced tea. Oh, that's pretty cool. So this is the, what is this called? The Organic India tea. Oh, right here I got the Immunity and Thrive version of the tea. So 2 samples right here that I can try out. And I think these are great because sometimes you don't want to like go out and spend money on the whole box. So you just get the samples so you can try it and see if you like it first. And then I also got a coupon for $1 off right here. Looking forward to using that. So in the box are also these nut butter. I always see these in the store, but I never purchase them. These are the RX. So they have, yeah, these are like protein nut butter. So this is the peanut butter version. And this one is the almond butter. So this is how it looks. I'm looking forward to putting these on like toast and trying them. I have never tried this product before. I haven't tried any of these products in here. So I'm really excited to try some new products. Right here came the Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. I am looking forward to that. I seen these in the store and I was curious about them. I was like, oh my goodness. What is this? I've never used a body polish or anything exfoliating on my skin. So this is in the macadamia and rice milk version. So yeah, I know they have the cucumber and they also have the pomegranate. So yeah, I'm looking forward to trying this one. So something for hair. I was hoping they sent me something for hair. I think this is the only hair product in here. So this is the Garnier Fructis Nourishing Treatment. This is the 1-minute hair mask. I've been seeing these a lot in the stores, but I haven't picked them up. So I'm excited to see how it works for my hair. So I got that. So I also got the Biore Charcoal Water, Cleansing Water. This is pretty cool. I've never used a cleansing water before on my face. And right here is coffee. I don't even drink coffee, so I don't know. Maybe I'll drink it for the hell of it since I'm grateful I got these. This is the Folger coffee. This one is in the medium dark roast, and this one is the medium roast. So I got 2 of these in the box. And I also got some quinoa and brown rice, seeds of change. They must have known like I'm into eating healthy. They sent me like all these healthy stuff. Yeah, so quinoa and brown rice. I've never tried this rice before, by the way. And I also got these, what is this? This is like an ankle cushion. I think this is for like when you're wearing heels. And then when, you know, when the heels like rub on your ankle, the back of your ankle, that stuff hurts so bad when you get like those blisters. So I think you put this on there so to prevent that when you get like new shoes. Yeah, so this is called the Compeed brand blister cushions. Yeah. So that is it for my first PINCHme box. I'm so excited to try all of these samples and see which ones I like, which ones I'm going to repurchase or not purchase. So yeah, so that is my very first PINCHme box. I'm really excited to try out all of those products. And don't forget to give this video a rating. Let me know what you think down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.